Hi again, everybody. It is Tuesday morning, August 30th, 2022. I'm continuing to test the George Bayer squaring the circle concepts, and it's looking pretty good. I gave you the some points yesterday, and where I left the video off was right here. As this low was forming about 10 after 7, I had identified that line and mentioned we had a potential trade setting up there. You can see that one played out well. I've marked the lines for the rest of the day. You can see the next first two signals early on were good. This signal was good. This signal was a miss. It kind of just consolidated and continued down. We got a nice trigger here at 120. Started up, made a double bottom, and then boom. And then later in the afternoon, we had the high set up here about 320 or so, and then we had a good short opportunity there. So now I'm going to take a look at today's chart and give you the projections for the full session today. Here are the lines overlaid on the Vedic chart. You can do this, or you can use this rather with all the other trigger points and see where they overlap and align, and you'll get some good results. You see the first hit that we had here, right here last night, 2036 on the 29th. That was right at the end of the two red zones here as we switched to the green zone. Got a good long there, and then when we hit the little bright green window, which identifies a potential top, we did get the high on our trigger point, and then the white window, we got the low along with our trigger point. The next signal was the end of a shallow corrective move, which gave another potential long entry. We got a high in the green window, but in the white window we didn't, so this one here was pretty much a failure. It was in the middle of that corrective move down, and then when we got to the next signal, we got a nice long setup with an increase in volatility. Traded right up till we get in the double green, bright green windows here where we expect the high to come in. That did happen. The trigger point there as well. We reversed down, expecting a low here. We did not get it. We got a little consolidation and a breakdown, so that one was a failure. So we got two failures in there in that group of 8. So we got 6 out of 8 very good signals. And then we've got 6 more potential signals coming today. Notice how we're in the coming into the windows later on where we're going to get these potential high and low areas. So we did get a high in this green window here, and we got a lower low in the white window. Now we're trading in between there. Let's see if we break that low now here and come in to make a new low on this double trigger point here. So this one should be strong. You can see how we're changing polarity on the A1 and A2 line where they both go white. And we also have the double squaring the circle signal there at the same time. Now these are completely unrelated. These are completely non-correlated is a better word. So these are non-correlated potential trigger points aligning at the same period of time. And then later on in the day we've got an 11:16 point. We have this point here at 12:41 right at this transitional point in these windows on the A2 and B1. And then we get into the afternoon green window at 14:45, a potential trigger. And then one at 4:01, and then the last one here is right at 5 o'clock. So that one, I'm going to just really disregard that one. I plotted it anyway, but I don't like to take trades at that time of day. where we're at the session break and moving into the night session. So far these triggers are looking really good. Potentially this could come out as a course or video series maybe. We'll see what we end up doing with this one, but we've got some really nice new tools that we're putting together that we're considering possibly putting out. We'll see what we're going to do with that. Anyhow, that's it for today. We'll see you guys again with another video tomorrow or Thursday.